we're gonna go to the Silver Jubilee. I just got this thing. It sounds killer. Let's do this. But that's one of the most perfect cutty Marshall sounds I've ever heard. It's the perfect modern Marshall. It's just unbelievable. I love Okay, I had a brown sound request, and that was to drop the Marshall Silver Jubilee down to half power and to use the Friedman in front of it. And when you do that, you've really got to tweak the Friedman controls to get the brightness right. So I moved it back to the treble at about 10 o'clock, the presence at about 11 o'clock, and let's see, the volume's still straight up at noon, gains at about 8, tightness about 1, and bass all the way up at about 4 o'clock. Here is the Friedman into the Silver Jubilee, clean channel. Friedman overdrive into the clean channel at half power. Let's go up to full power. I'm going to turn it down a little bit. Alright, now I'm going to put the 5150 overdrive into the Silver Jubilee clean channel, but at full power. And I had to back off the treble a lot. These Marshalls, man, you know how they are. They're really bright, especially the way that this is set up straight into the front. So here we go. To be honest, the Marshall channel, lead channel, is the shit. The Silver Jubilee, no distortion pedal, just straight out of the amp. Tell you, those pedals are great in front of amps and they sound really good, but compared to that native sound right out of the head, or say the clean channel on this thing cranked, or even the other channels, they're not quite as good. They're close, really close, and for the money you can't beat it if you're going into any clean amp. But you know, full volume, stage volume, I think you should go with the circuit that's in the amp. It sounds killer. Alright, that was my Brown Sound Shootout. I hope you enjoyed that. Let me just go through these amps and talk about each one of them real quick. The 1977 JMP Marshall, nothing like it. This thing is 6550 loaded. It is the amp of all time. It does one thing and it kicks ass at that. The 2555 I just got, the reissue, this is that Marshall you've always wanted. The one that goes a little over what this one would do. This one can do it. It can do any kind of super modern high gain, and then has a great clean channel on top of that you can run pedals into and sound great. The HD 147, this thing, you can find these for anywhere from $250 to $400 online, and you can do 4 presets without even a pedal, but you can do like 4 channels without a pedal, but you can even do like, I don't forget how many channels it's, but like 60 or 80 channels of different sounds and all these different models, and you can pull up volume and gain, and you can do anything with this head. It's kind of like the MP1 was with all the different rack gear. When you switched it by MIDI, you could do all the things that this can do inside the head. And there's no extra wires, no extra boxes, no extra rack stuff. It's just all in this head. And the effects are the top of the line 6 effects. So they're hard to beat. Great deal. $400, anywhere from $250 to $400. Awesome head if you need to do a lot of different stuff live. The MP1, a classic sound. I love it. But at this point, with all the rack gear and you know, reliability issues, I wouldn't take this out to play anymore. But it was really a precursor to these kind of things where you could do so many things with one amp. And a Class 5, it's a great sound amp by itself. It sounds like straight up Plexi. It sounds good with the Firehawk into it, but it's not loud enough for a live show. So anyway, that's my Brown Sound Shootout. I hope you liked it. Subscribe to the channel and let me know if you have any questions or, you know, comment about what you think about all these different Brown Sound variations. It's something I wanted to do for a long time, and I hope you enjoyed it. Rock on.